Hey everyone, how's it going? In this video we are going to have a look at the AOKP ROM for the LG V30 Plus. So let's get started. First of all, this is the 23rd May build that I'm using, and now let's go into system and see what customization options we are having here. So as you can see here, there are some standard button options that are available on most Lineage OS based ROMs. You have a few status bar options available here as well. And this is not surprising because this ROM is built on top of Lineage OS. As you can see, you have some jump to camera options here as well. Now moving on, you have the ROM control where most of the features lie. You have general, clock settings. So side by side I'll talk about what I liked about this ROM, how the performance was, and also about the battery. So talking about the performance, recently this has been the best performing ROM for me personally without flashing any custom kernel. So for me, till now this is the best performing custom ROM in terms of performance. I'm really able to play PUBG without really pushing the smartphone or heating it up too much. So that's something that has made me really happy, and this phone works really smoothly with this particular custom ROM. And you can basically flash say custom kernels to make it even better, but I'm pretty happy with the stock performance that I'm getting here with this particular ROM. Now talking about the kernel, this ROM is actually permissive and not enforcing. So every time you reboot you get a security warning, but that probably doesn't really matter much. Now so talking about the performance, I will also show you the Antutu score in a while. Let me just complete it here. Now let's move back. Under the display section you will find options like theming. As you can see here, I've chosen the dark mode, and there are only light and dark themes here. So there's not as much choice as is available on some ROMs like the bootleggers ROM. So you have ambient display options. You have 3 options here, and I have enabled always on display and it works really well. There are no issues for me with it. You have tap to bake, tap to sleep, wake up on plug. And under the sound section you will find options like hi-fi quad DAC, as you can see here. Now moving on, let me show you the Antutu score, but before that let me show you my battery usage. So as you can see here, and this is my battery graph, and battery life has been pretty great for me on this particular ROM. I have no issues with it. And you also have the option of digital well-being, so that's nice to see. So this is the Antutu score that I got on this particular ROM with the kernel that it came with. When I tested the score again, the values was boosted to 2 lakhs. So this is a surprisingly relatively lower score than other custom ROMs, but I am saying that the performance is obviously better on this particular ROM. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.